In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add seller information on TikTok Shop if you want your storefront to look polished, consistent, and trustworthy. Getting your seller information right is a key step. I'll walk you through where to go and what to adjust so your brand shows up clearly for shoppers and feels aligned with your business everywhere else online. Start by opening the TikTok app and clicking the shop icon. This brings you into the shopping area connected to your account, where all your selling tools live. If you don't see it immediately, give the app a second to load or make sure you're on the latest version. But once you're in, you'll be in the right place to manage your shop details. Next, click My Account. This is essentially your seller home base. From here, click Seller Profile. Think of the seller profile as your storefront's public face. It's what customers will associate with your brand when they browse and buy, so accuracy and clarity really matter here. Inside the seller profile, click Seller Information again. This is the section where your core details live and where you can make the updates that shoppers will actually see. Here, modify all the details you need. Start with your logo. Choose a clean, high-quality image that's easy to recognize at a glance. A simple, square-friendly design tends to look best in the app. Make sure it's not blurry, overly detailed, or cluttered. If your logo includes text, keep it bold and legible, and avoid tiny fonts that disappear on smaller screens. Pick a version of your logo that matches your branding everywhere else so customers know they're in the right place. You can also change your store name. Keep it clear, professional, and consistent with the name customers see on your packaging or website. Avoid extra symbols or special characters that might not display well, and double-check spelling and capitalization for a clean, trustworthy look. If your brand uses a specific style for names, apply it here so everything feels cohesive. As you update your information, take a moment to review how it appears within the profile area. Confirm the logo looks sharp, the name displays correctly, and the overall identity feels consistent and easy to recognize. If something doesn't refresh instantly, give the app a moment and then check again. To recap, click the shop icon, go to My Account, open Seller Profile, then Seller Information, and modify your details, especially your logo and store name. That's all you need to present a professional, on-brand storefront in TikTok Shop.